Are you looking for a tablet that offers you entertainment, work, and communication all in one? Today, I bring you Amazon's new Fire HD 8 2020 for tablet, whose amazing features will make your life easier and more fun. So without further delay, let's see what this tablet has to offer. Let's start by talking about the design and display. The Fire HD 8 has an 8-inch HD display that makes any content more captivating. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, this display is crystal clear. Just like a movie screen in your hand, and its slim and lightweight design easily fits into your bag without any extra weight. Available in black, hibiscus, and emerald, the colors of this tablet are simply eye-catching. In terms of performance, the Fire HD 8 is like a little powerhouse. It comes with 3 GB of RAM, providing 50% more performance than the previous model. The result, whether it's gaming or multitasking, everything runs super smooth. Additionally, it offers 32 GB of storage, where you can keep photos, videos, or apps, and the fun part, you can expand it up to 1 TB, making your digital world even bigger. And don't worry, the tablet's battery won't drain quickly. It can last up to 13 hours on a single charge. Imagine enjoying movies, web browsing, or gaming all day long. Now, let's talk about the exclusive AI features of the Fire HD 8. It's not just another tablet, it's your personal assistant. With the Writing Assist feature, you won't have to worry about writing emails or making spelling mistakes. It automatically corrects spelling and grammar. Also, if you're reading a long article, you can use the Summarize tool to get a brief summary with just 1 click. And a fun feature is the Wallpaper Creator. Create your own style of wallpaper exactly the way you like. You can decorate your tablet's home screen with text. Next up, let's get to the fun part: entertainment. Apps like Netflix, Hulu, TikTok are all available on this tablet. You can even download videos to watch offline, and the best part, gaming. You can play games like Minecraft, Roblox all on this tablet. One thing to note though, Google Play is not supported, but you can download plenty of apps from the Amazon App Store. The gaming experience is so smooth. Once you start, you won't want to stop. Another big advantage of the Fire HD 8 tablet is that it comes with Amazon Alexa. Ask Alexa for the news, weather, play your favorite music, or even make video calls with your friends or family. And for those who use smart home devices, it becomes even more convenient. You can control your smart lights, thermostat, everything from the tablet. All in all, Amazon's new Fire HD 8 2020 for tablet, with its modern design, powerful performance, advanced smart features, and fantastic entertainment options, can be the perfect companion for your daily life. If you're looking for a fast, smart, and powerful tablet, this might just be the best choice for you. So, don't wait, order your tablet now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your favorite features. Thank you, and see you in the next video.